Guys, today we've got early Jordans, one of the most hyped sneakers of this entire month, and shoes that are apparently one size fits all. So let's kick it off with getting to the bottom of this weirdly dramatic pair of sneakers. So as soon as you guys see the box inside of here, you're gonna know exactly what I'm talking about. I ordered these a while ago, so I've been waiting for a long time to finally figure out what the hell is going on with this sneaker. So as you can see, we've got another pair of CPFM Fleas 2s. This time I ordered my true to size. So the previous one that we reviewed on the channel, that was a whole size down. Now that full size down fit me pretty much fine, and I was under the impression that everybody agreed this pair of shoes was way too big, but obviously that was not the case, because in the comments of that video, everybody had different opinions. They said that true to size fit them, they said that a size down fit them. So let's see if this true to size does actually fit me. This is a banger dust bag. I got the same colorway as well. This is the black alabaster pair. Funny thing about the last time I had this pair of shoes on video was that I called these spiders, where in fact you guys down in the comment section were like, those are not spiders, they're fleas. That makes a lot more sense. Of course, the Flea 2 and these are fleas. Sliding them on, guys, let me tell you how they fit. Definitely a slight little bit bigger than the other ones. It's actually not that noticeable. They kind of fit, so I can understand how people would be like, oh yeah, my true to size fits me, because these do kind of fit. But yeah, I feel like it's not a big deal. If I got my true to size, I would be kind of okay with that. But I mean, since a full size down still fits me, that's pretty weird. This is just a weird pair of shoes, man. My best recommendation, if you were interested in this wild pair of shoes, probably just go a half size down, and that would be the ideal fit, I reckon. Drop down in the comment section, what do you think about the size? And the most liked comment about the sizing, I'll pin. Is it true to size or is it too big? All right, let's get into this box. Oh, we got a pretty decent box. Okay, nice little branding underneath, very on brand for A Ma Maniere. But the sneakers themselves, guys, this is the Jordan 5 A Ma Maniere. Biggest thing I'm worried about this pair of shoes is that the quality is not the same as previous A Ma Maniere shoes. Nice feeling nubuck all around this pair of shoes. That feels pretty much like any other Jordan 5 nubuck. These do have a ton of detail, which I only recently discovered. First one I want to point out is this mesh over here on the side, which typically is just regular mesh. However, on this A Ma Maniere collaboration, you can see it's that A logo again, the A Ma Maniere branding in this monogram print. They also have the A Ma Maniere branding on that little window to the air unit. Ton of aged details, like look at the outsole, completely yellowed out. But one of the biggest things, there is no more quilted material. The material on here is actually, wow, that's pretty insane. Okay, so another thing that I only just discovered right now is the actual sock liner. All of this material on here is also the A Ma Maniere monogram print just repeated, and it's very, very hard to tell. Like, you have to look super closely to actually notice it. These are looking cool, man. So as far as a release date, this pair is dropping on the 22nd. The white colorway is dropping on the 17th. There's a ton of detail, probably a ton that I'm missing right now. That's why if we do a full review, I'll break down this pair of shoes. Either way, guys, let me know what you think of these down in the comment section. Are you going to be going for them? Let me know your thoughts, but let's keep it moving. All right, we got a pull tab, which is actually from Adidas this time, not Nike. Oh, god damn it, I hate when that happens. Take a look at that. That is so sick, man. This is obviously a Spider-Man 2 collaboration. And these are wild. This is the Adidas Ultra Boost Mid Spider-Man. Wow, so that's something I did not even know, but this pair of shoes is actually numbered. So you get a little tag on it. It says limited collection. I've got number 928 out of 10,035. Why not just a flat 10,000? The colorway is phenomenal. I freaking love these colors together. The only thing that kind of throws me off is the leather. Very synthetic leather feeling material. They added this embroidery to it so it looks like Spider-Man's suit. The knit material itself, super stretchy sock liner. They did a solid job on this collaboration. Either way, guys, let me know what you think of the Spider-Man 2 Ultra 4Ds. I think they're dope. It's a fun collaboration and a pretty well executed one as well. All right, we got this huge bag of clothing pickups with some banger pieces. Let's find out if that is really the case. This is an Italian brand called 545. This is is a little workwear jacket. Feels really nice and soft. Like, it's not stiff. Let me show you guys what's on the inside of this jacket. Look at that material. 545 workwear, made in Italy. Just underneath the pocket there, you've got a little F branding, which is solid metal. This is dope. So I got a size medium. You'll see in the B-roll how it fits me, how it looks. Quality A1. Ooh, okay, this is a piece that I'm highly anticipating. Take a look at this. It's got the little F branding as well. Same thing, just metal. Nylon feeling material, but it is super, super soft. I'm hoping that this is large enough to kind of layer. Such attention to detail on these pieces. Very, very, very good quality. It feels solid. Okay, so this is a pair of denim. Very light distressing around the pockets. You've got that same little metal hardware just underneath the pocket there. Size medium as well for the pants. You've got this embroidery. I almost missed that. Some embroidery on the leg which says don't miss it. One more piece. Let me show you guys. I had to try out their hoodie. Damn, again, some light distressing on this as well. This feels like something that you would have thrifted or something like that. It's definitely not super thick. Lightweight style. Obviously, zipper hood. Again, size medium. You'll see in the B-roll. Just always like to show you guys these new brands that I'm kind of discovering. Dope. That is sick. Sick brand. I love the attention to detail. All right, next up we got a pair of shoes that I've actually already unboxed and I really wanted to show you guys. This right here is a collaboration between the brand Eco and RAL 7000 Studio. Now, honestly, I had never heard of Eco before I bought this pair of shoes. RAL 7000 Studio is a brand or a design studio that I am familiar with. They've done collaborations in the past with Adidas and Bershka, and as soon as I pulled them out, I was so surprised at the material, but also the comfort of these things, because this midsole, when I saw it online, I was like, yo, that midsole is gonna kind of be like very bootish and solid. It is soft, man. It is soft and so comfortable. When you squish down on this, it feels so freaking nice. Covered in nubuck leather. I wanted to show you guys because this is one of my favorite latest pickups. It is definitely on the more expensive side. 210 pounds I paid for these. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Do you like these? Final pair. These things are dropping very soon, so let's find out if it's gonna be worth your time. Ooh, okay. This, guys, is the Jordan 4 Craft Olive. Definitely a vibrant, earthy olive color. I would say it's a little bit more like a army green. Okay, materials are definitely A1 for sure. There's actually so many different materials on here. It's pretty crazy. This doesn't seem to have any cracked leather. So you've just got nice nappy suede around the toe box, up around the ankle area, and of course, instead of that rubber mesh, you've now got more suede. I will say that this leather strap does have a slight bit of leather cracking going on, and the rest of the shoe is covered in a really nice feeling nubuck material. These things feel really nice, a lot more premium than I guess your standard Jordan 4. So yeah, I've definitely seen some people compare these to the undefeated 4s, the incredibly limited pair. I always loved the materials from the first Craft, so it's no different here. Yeah, if you do like these things, again, they're going to be dropping this weekend, November the 18th. Apparently there's 400,000 pairs of these things, so I don't know how hard they're going to be to get. Let me know what you think of the Craft 4 Olives. Are you going to be going for them or are you passing? And click this video to find out if they got the Jordan 11 Gratitudes right.